In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset GIMP. If your GIMP workspace looks messy, panels are missing, or windows aren't where you expect them to be, resetting the interface is a quick way to get everything back to a clean, familiar layout. This process restores the default window arrangement and toolbox, without touching your actual images or deleting your files. First, open GIMP and make sure it's running. If you have any unsaved work open, take a moment to save it, because we'll be restarting the app at the end to apply the reset. Next, go to the top menu and choose Edit, then Preferences. This opens the main settings window where you control how GIMP behaves. Depending on your system, preferences may appear under the application menu, but the content is the same once you're there. On the left side of the Preferences window, you'll see a list of categories. Look for Interface, and within that section, select Window Management. This area is all about how GIMP arranges and remembers your docs, panels, and tool windows. Now, find the button labeled Reset Saved Window Positions to Default Values. Click it. What this does is clear GIMP's memory of your custom window placements and return everything to the standard layout. It's especially helpful if panels were accidentally undocked, hidden, or moved off-screen, or if the toolbox disappeared after switching monitors or changing display setups. After clicking the Reset button, click OK to close the Preferences window and confirm your changes. The reset will be queued up, but it won't fully take effect until you restart the application. So go ahead and close GIMP, then open it again. When it launches, you should see the default arrangement, the toolbox restored, and the main docs and panels back in their usual places for a fresh, consistent workspace. That's all there is to it. You've restored GIMP's default layout and toolbox, which can save a lot of time and frustration when things feel out of place. If you like to customize your workspace later, you can still arrange panels the way you prefer. GIMP will remember those positions until you choose to reset them again, and if you ever run into layout issues in the future, just repeat this same process to get back to a clean slate. Thanks for watching. If this helped tidy up your workspace, you're ready to jump right back into editing with a layout that makes sense and gets out of your way.